Right, back again. Here on the job is just, we built this sty, they've dug it out. You see that? They dug it out, went down 250, and we've just built this sty. We're trying to stay out of the way of the bobcat driver. And Frankie's just jacking that up. Not too high, Frank. Round we go, so you can see bobcat's finished for the moment. Here we are. Yeah, just get a little bit up. Don't take it off of that yet. Alright, he's pumping that up, getting the weight up. Actually, we can just take the weight off that block. Pretty good. Grab the weight off those blocks there. So you just got it, Frank.
And what we'll do then is, once we got up to where we're cutting, we'll start back here at that level.
You go. Take it easy. You got it? Give it a wiggle. Give it a wiggle. We'll leave it there. We'll build around. Grab those because you're getting too high. Okay. You start with those two blocks you got behind you.